Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. It helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have the Widowmaker White Chicken Chili. And it all starts off with a 10-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, approximately 2 pounds of boneless chicken breasts that I cooked and diced up. By the way, the 2 pounds is the pre-cook weight. And then a 16-ounce jar of salsa verde. And then we want to have about a tablespoon or so of chili powder. And then we want to have a tablespoon of cumin. Followed by a teaspoon of salt. Then you just want to give this a stir around and cook on high for roughly 2.5 hours. Right, the 2 hours are up, and it's time to add the rest. First thing we're going to add is 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then we want to add 2 15-ounce cans of Great Northern beans that I drained in the sink. Followed up by a 1.5 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, or Colby Jack cheese, I think is the cheese that I went with. And then about a 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Then you want to give this another stir around and let it cook for about 30 minutes on high. Give it another great big stir around and let it cook for an additional 30 to 45 minutes. By the way, I should point out this is not the quickest dish in the universe. All right, and then just serve it up in a bowl. And I'm just going to top it off with some freshly ground black pepper. And that's it. Widowmaker White Chicken Chili. Done.